Hey, let's draw some shapes together with black and color them with green, yellow, red, orange, blue, and purple. Let's go! First of all, let's draw a star. This is a beautiful star. This is a triangle. Oh, look at this one. It's a heart. A heart. Do you know what this is? Oh, it's a rectangle. Look at this circle. Circle. It's a circle. This is the last shape. It's a square. I like the star to be yellow. A yellow star. What color do you like your star to be? You tell me, what color is the triangle? Yes, it's a red triangle. Red triangle. I like to color the hearts blue. So, this is a blue heart. A blue heart. What color do you like your heart to be? Do you like a blue heart? I like them. A yellow star, a red triangle, and a blue heart. I choose purple for the rectangle. So, it's a purple rectangle. A cute purple rectangle. Look at this green circle. Circle. It's a green circle. What color is your circle? And for the last one, do you remember this shape? Yes, it's a square. So, it's an orange square. An orange square. Orange square. Thanks for watching. Bye!